So, you're trying to become a millionaire, whether that's in 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, or 50 years. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the math and tell you exactly how much you need to be investing per month to reach your goals.
Stop wasting money on that dumb shit and instead put it in investment. I know it's tempting. You'll spend it and be broke again.
So welcome back to our channel, guys. You're here with your two bros, Ryan
And Taylor.
And to start off this video, we're going to hit you with a few disclaimers really quick. So starting off, things come up in life you just don't expect that can change your time frame drastically. So these are just general numbers. This is just talking about investing in the stock market with simple returns, simple numbers, just so we can gain the concept together and nothing crazy. If you invest in real estate, you started your own business, returns would change. Everything about this could be different. So we wanted to mention there are a number of factors that can change these results.
So yeah, we just wanted to get all that out of the way. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about investing with a simple, on average, 7% return, which is very achievable.
Yeah.
I mean, the S&P 500 on average gets higher than that. So we're just using a very, reserved and safe bet on what kind of returns you can expect. And like we were saying, that changes from year to year very drastically. So don't be like, oh my gosh, I'm down 5% this year. I need to sell everything. That will truly mess up your whole time frame and everything. But we're just talking about simple investments here. So assuming that 7% return, to become a millionaire in 50 years, you would have to invest $199 monthly.
That's really honestly not that bad. So $200, most people might, or a lot of people, I don't know about most, might say 200. I don't have 200, but 200 is pretty achievable when you're looking at millionaire status.
Yeah.
$200, you're like, oh, I'll figure that out to become a millionaire.
Yeah.
But then you look at the time it's going to take, 50 years. So realistically, let's say you start at age 20, you're looking at age 70, you're a millionaire. So it's completely achievable, completely fine. Still have a lot of life left, but maybe you wanted to be a millionaire a little bit sooner than that.
Yeah. So let's say you wanted to become a millionaire in 40 years, 10 years sooner. Still a good long ways, but you'd still have to invest $405 monthly to reach that millionaire status.
So you can see right off the bat, just cutting it down 10 years, 40 years, 4 decades, still a lot of time, but it goes from 199 to more than double, 405.
Yeah.
So you can already imagine what it's going to be when we get down to years 20, how much you're going to have to put in per month. Actually, go ahead and leave in the comments a guess. Let us know what you think. 20 years. So we're going to cut that in half. Do you think it doubles, more than doubles? What's your guess?
All right, so let's keep going with this trend and go how much you need to invest in 30 years to become a millionaire. That magic number is all the way up to $856. So you got to invest that much money monthly to reach millionaire status in 30 years. And I know some people are already like, goodness, that is a lot of money. And it is. So that's just something to kind of illustrate just how effective time is when investing.
And moving right along into 20 years. Again, I'm looking forward to seeing in the comments what you guys think this guess is going to be, because it was way higher than I thought, to be honest. So we're looking at $1,971 a month, almost $2,000 a month. That number went up fast.
Yeah.
So think about it. If you want to cut that time even more, you're looking at crazy numbers that honestly most people can't achieve. But at the same time, it kind of makes sense. You're talking about $1 million. 20 years, 1 million. If you're really willing to sacrifice and you make good money, it is achievable. But is that the right lifestyle for you?
Yeah, and there are obviously variables that go into this. I mean, 7% was a very conservative number that we use, so you can definitely hope for, and we're not guaranteeing it by any means, but typically expect higher than 7% returns, which obviously drops this number down a good bit. And just to make it perfectly clear, this isn't like, oh, on average, I need to invest almost $2,000 a month. This is doing $2,000 a month because when you invest certain amounts of money, changes it drastically. If you're like, all right, well, I can start with $100 right now a month, but then when I'm, 15 years from now, then I'll start going $4,000 a month. You're not going to reach that millionaire status because that large amount of money hasn't had time to use compounding interest. You just see how it exponentially grows higher over time. So this is investing this amount per month, not on average.
So yeah, we can right off the bat see how much time affects these investments. The longer you let it go, the more it's going to grow.
So yeah, let's say that you earn more than that 7% and you're at that 10%. Now, if you want to become a millionaire in 20 years, it's investing less than $1,400 a month. A pretty big swing right there.
Yeah.
Several $100s a month just by earning a couple percent more, which isn't unreasonable by any means. It very well could be achievable. And obviously, all those other numbers that we mentioned would also become less. So, still, even if you're at like $1,300, $1,400, that's a lot of money to invest every month for the next 20 years. That's why a lot of people like investing in multiple different things. That's like we are
Yeah.
investing in the stock market. We believe in the stock market. It's a great investment. But we're also diversifying our portfolios and investing in real estate. We both own real estate and all these other ways. So please leave your comments down below exactly what your plan is to reach that millionaire status. Are you going strictly stocks? Are you also investing in real estate or only investing in real estate? Are you planning on starting your own business? What route do you plan on taking?
We look forward to reading those comments. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, got value out of this video. Please share with a friend, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you don't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Stop wasting money on that dumb shit and instead put it in investment. I know it's tempting. You'll spend it and be broke again.